In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Kit paid newsletter. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Kit account and you are looking at your main dashboard. We are going to create a paid newsletter product, which will generate a checkout link you can share so people can subscribe and pay. First, go to the Earn section in the navigation. This is where Kit keeps the tools related to making money from your audience. Inside Earn, click Products. Products is the area where you manage things like paid newsletters and other offers. Once you are on the Products page, look for the button that says New Product with a plus icon. Click that to start building a new paid option for your subscribers. Kit will then ask you to choose a product type. Select Newsletter. This tells Kit that what you are selling is ongoing newsletter access, rather than a one-time purchase. After you select Newsletter, click Next to continue. Now you will choose how customers will pay. Select Subscription. Subscription is the right choice for a paid newsletter because it charges on a recurring schedule. You will then enter your pricing. Add a monthly price, a yearly price, or both, depending on how you want to offer it. Take a moment to double-check the numbers before moving on, because this is what your subscribers will see at checkout. When your price is set, click Next. Next, you will choose which newsletter your new paying subscribers will be added to after they complete payment. Pick the correct newsletter from the list. This step matters because it controls where your paid subscribers land, and it helps you keep free and paid audiences organized. Finally, click Create Product. Kit will generate your paid newsletter product and provide a link. Copy that link and save it somewhere safe, like your notes or content calendar, so you can share it on your website, in your social bio, or in an email to your audience. That covers everything you need to know.